Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are doing good. So today's our topic is going to be today's our topics are going to be uses or cases of generative AI. Generative AI can be applied in various use cases to generate virtually. Technology is becoming more accessible. So technology technology improvement, any kind of content, the technology is becoming more accessible to users of all kinds, thanks to cutting edge breakthrough like GPT that can be turned for different applications. Some of the use cases of generative AI include the following: implementing chat bots for customer services and technical support, deploying deepfakes for mimicking peoples or even specific individuals, as well as improving dubbing for movies and educational content in different languages, as well as writing email responses, dates, profiles, resumes, and term papers, as well as in them. So creating a photorealistic art in a particular styles, improving product demonstrations videos, as well as suggesting new drug compounds to test and buildings, optimizing new chips designs in them, writing music in a specific styles of tunes, as well as all of these are the aspects of them. So how we get the acknowledgements of them. Generative AI can be applied extensively across many areas of the businesses. It can make it easier to interpret and understand existing contents and automatically create new content. Developers are exploring ways to generative AI that can improve existing workflows with an eye to adopting workflows entirely to take advantage of the technology. Some of the potential benefits of implementing generative AI is well in them. It's including the flowing automatic the manual process of writing content, reducing the effort of corresponding to emails in them, creating realistic representations of the peoples also in them, summarizing complex informations into a coherent in them summarizing complex informations into a coherent negative, as well as simplifying the process of creating content in a particular styles, as well as earlier implementations of generative AI. Visual illustrates its many limitations. Some of the challenges generative AI represents results from the specific approaches used to implement particular use cases. For example, a summary of a complex topic is easier to read than an explanation that includes various sources. Spotting keychains, the readability of the summary, however, comes at the expense of a user being able to vet where the information comes from. Here are some of the limitations to consider when implementing or using a generative AI app. It does not always identify the source of content. It can be challenging to access the bias of original sources in them. Realistic sounding content makes it harder to identify inaccurate information. It can be difficult to understand how to tune for new circumstances. Results can gloss over bias, prejudice, and hatred, as well as in them. Attention is all that you need. That brought significant improvements in efficiency and accuracy to tasks like them. Approaching like them called transformer was based on the concept of attentions in them. At the high level, attentions refers to the mathematical descriptions of how things work, relate each other. The researchers described the architecture in their seminal paper, Attention is All You Need, as well as showing how transformer neural work was able to translate between English and French with more accuracy. So hope you like this video. See you in next.